Welcome to Hema's Cuisine. Today we are going to make Brussels sprouts stir fry. So I have cut the Brussels sprouts lengthwise and it came up to almost 3 cups. So in an iron kadai, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of burra dal, so I have soaked up Brussels sprouts in water for a while till I was seasoning, and I'm adding the Brussels sprouts, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and give it a nice stir. At this point you can add water if you want, or you can lower the flame and close it and let it simmer in whatever water it was soaked in. Now I'm adding half a teaspoon of chili powder. The spice level is up to you guys. You can add half a teaspoon, quarter, 1 teaspoon if you want. There you go guys, Brussels sprouts stir fry is ready to go with steamed rice or parathas.